Hello everyone. My project is NFT Marketplace and I'm Naitik Nilesha and I'm working solo on this project. And so let's get started with this project. So what did I build? So I built an NFT Marketplace on the internet computer using the Motoko language as the backend and the React as the front end. So I developed a platform for minting, listing, and selling non-fungible tokens (NFTs) on the internet computer, which is the blockchain using Web3 technology. And so if we go into detailed components, so it has e-commerce features, which is I implemented core e-commerce functionalities, including viewing owned NFTs, selling NFTs using a digital coin and a Discover page for buying NFTs. And then I utilized blockchain, where I integrated it, specifically the Motoko and Internet Computer, to secure transactions, verify ownership, and provide transparency. So my main reason for using the Internet Computer blockchain was that it's really emerging, and I didn't want to rely on third-party servers. I wanted to go a bit open source. So that's the reason I chose this topic and I chose this tech stack, which is a bit unusual, but yes. And then I have digital coin integration where I incorporated DANG as the primary currency for transactions within the platform, promoting its use and engagement. I built a completely new project for DANG where it has its own front end where the user can see his or her um, coins or remaining balance, or they can buy coins. And I have on-chain storage. So I am storing NFT data on the Internet Computer blockchain, distinguishing this project from traditional platforms that rely on the third-party servers. And then the main inspiration for this project was platforms like OpenSea. So I focus on essential features inspired by platforms like OpenSea, streamlining the project for effective learning for myself and the implementation, because this project is a really complex one. I used um, Motoko as the back end and React as the front end. They both don't go really well together, but it came out to be really good in my project. So if you go on to the next slide, so what motivated me for this project? So I wanted to explore the emerging trends. I wanted to explore the rising trend of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and the impact on the digital economy. I wanted to learn blockchain, um, and this course is really good to try out new technology because we have source guidance if we go wrong somewhere. And so I want to gain hands-on experience with blockchain technology for secure and transparent digital transactions. And I wanted to build a comprehensive ecosystem. I want to develop not just an NFT marketplace, but a comprehensive ecosystem that encompasses minting, listing, selling, and community interaction. And so, yes, this is why I selected this project on the first place. And if you look at the database, it's a really simple one. It isn't something fancy. So I have users, user ID, primary key, Naitik, coin balance, or I named it Tang. And then we have NFT collections. So we have a collection ID, which is the primary key, user ID is the foreign key, which is linking to the creator, and collection name. We have NFTs, NFT ID, primary key, collection ID, foreign key again, linking to the collection, title of the current owner, user ID of the owner, and the sales price. And then we have transactions. So transaction is a really important part of this project. So we have a transaction ID, primary key, buyer user ID, again foreign key, seller user ID, again foreign key, NFT ID, again a foreign key, and the transaction date, transaction amount, and DANG, or let's say 90 coins. And then we have transaction type, whether it's a purchase or sale. And then we have a discover page, which has NFT ID, foreign key linking to the NFT, and then we have a featured a boolean flag to indicate if it's featured on a discover page. So what I've done is, if I'm selling some if some NFT is on sale, it goes on the featured page. So I have a boolean flag which states that okay, this is for sale. This is a system diagram. I think this will be pretty good if I explain it while showing my project, while implementing my project to you guys. And then we have activity diagram, which again I'll show you it to you on my project. And then this is the basic UI. So this is the main page. This is the create NFT page. This is the another create NFT page. And thanks for watching this presentation. But let's head to the project presentation. So the project live demo. So let me close this. Let me close that. Okay. So one thing what I will do is I will show you the entire workflow of how I used to work on this project. This is a Windows machine, so if you want to code on Web3, what I found was that putting it on Ubuntu or Mac OS, which are based on Linux, I mean Unix, it's just much better than using Windows. So Windows 10 has a pretty handy feature called this WSL. So if I run it, and it should show me my name. Okay, perfect. So this is my Ubuntu terminal, and then I shall turn on Visual Studio Code and connect to the WSL repository. Um, Open folder. So let's first go for OpenD. This is the main project, and then we can go for a new window. Again, connect to the WSL. So over here, in this case, what I'm doing is this is my uh, digital currency project which I created, which I encoded, and so this will go on to that one just a bit later. So I have a readme file. I have actually two monitors. I have my readme file on the other monitor. So this is a pretty big command chain. So what we are going to do is we are first going to start a DFX server on our local machine. Start DFX server. And if it states listening, it means that it is running. Okay, perfect. It states listening. We shall go and create one more command. And over here, I have this command which is on my readme file. So if I deploy it, send it, building front end. Okay, okay. Okay, perfect. And now we shall go to npm start as React is my front end. Hit it in and okay, no, yes. So this is the project where it is. Okay, so if as you can see over here on the Discover page, we have a few NFTs on sale, but this is the NFTs which I put on sale. So if we go ahead and mint a new NFT, so let's see, let's grab this hat guy. Guy. So this is a collection name. So if I select mint NFT, here's a loader. And okay, minted. So if we go to my NFTs over here, as you can see, we have the NFT on the home page. If I want to sell this, price and dang, I would shall say I'm feeling to get a bit rich, so 150,000. Confirm that guy, and as you can see, it gets blurred up, which states that okay, this is listed and this I don't own anymore. This is basically the platform owns it. And if you go to Discover page, as you can see over here, I have listed it for 150,000 dang. This is for 150,000 dang, and this is for 20,000 dang. And then we can go and first grab the digital coin token. So if you are running this as the first project of your IC, then on a system, then you should go for DFX start. But as I have already started the server on the local machine, I don't need to do that. And so if we go for getting the principal ID, well, I would like to state that I have learned a lot on this project. I mean, a lot, because I had no idea how to build on computer blockchain or what is blockchain for the first point, and what are canisters, what is Motoko. I had to learn Motoko language, which actually taught me a lot. And basic now I can tell in confidence that I can code something in Motoko. Like, of course, I'll do my research. I will go through everything. I'll see how to use, what all hashing I would have to use, or what data I have to use, or something like that. But still, and so to run this, you have to copy this over here, which I've already done, and then um, we shall go and to TFX deploy, and then we will go for npm start. Okay, it is running. Npm start, and then we'll go for a new terminal, let that run, and so we'll give this owner 500,000,000 coins. Or wait, first let's just set the canister ID to the local variable. It was success, and now we shall go for this. Okay, insufficient funds because I've already transferred those. And now we shall go for this one. So what you are seeing over here is the coin thing, I mean the digital coin front end. So over here, if we claim 10,000, already claimed because I've already run this project. And if I go for the principal ID, again to check the account token balance, I go for this check balance, and this account has a balance of 9,994 dang. And so this is my primary user ID, and over here I've masked my primary user ID because blockchain is full of what I shall say, it's full of anonymity. And so I have 9,994 dangs, and we shall close this. And over here I wanted to really show you how to buy the NFTs. So let's go to the command line and let's get a few NFTs to buy, and I will mint the NFT over here on the front page. Enter. It should give a success. Oh yes, it will give me a principal ID, and Control C. Then I'll just put it in the next command, and then run that next command. Success, and then I will go for the canister ID, DFX canister ID, open D. Okay, and here's the canister ID, which I shall put it in my other command. And if I run it again, it should give me success. Oh, okay, it's not initiated by the owner, so let's do that first. So if we go for this thing, yes, I for by mistake I just added the wrong ID, and so we shall run the command again, and yeah, success. And over here, if we again do npm start, because we already deployed the project, npm start, it should go for 8080. Yes, 8080, close the previous one, put it in first. So if you go to discover page, as you can see over here, I can buy this. These are my own. I've already listed these, so I cannot buy these, but over here I can buy these. Buy this one for 2 dang, which is a pretty good deal. So just click buy, and okay, so it went from the discover page and it straight went to my NFT collection. Over here, as you can see, this is the NFT which I bought, and I'm the owner. And if you go to the digital coin one, so if I again hit check balance, I just lost 2 danks over here, which means that the transaction was successful. And I can also do a 2 account and amount, which I can transfer on this one. So yeah, I would say I learned a lot. I mean, I went through a lot of bugs. I can't even count how many bugs I have solved on this project. And deploying on the IC, first of all, it takes up real money. Every minting will cost me about $5 or something like that, which I'm okay with. But right now, I'm trying to deploy this project, these both projects, because these both will talk to each other during buying and all that process. And it seems like there's some issue going on with the internet computer blockchain and not being able to put it on the blockchain, which is actually weird. But I am trying it, and yeah, hopefully I can do it. But yeah, thank you for listening to this project. I shall see you later.